Hey, boss man. Where are we gonna put the? You want me to leave it right here for now?
I got you. I'll put it up in the office for you,
I'll put it
okay?
right here to the side.
Got you. Thank you, buddy.
Oh, Julie, your little hamster thing. What is it? A cat?
Which one?
That on your bag?
Oh, yeah, it's a little cat.
Hamster cat. Hamster cat. Hamster cat.
Very much so.
Your phone flashlight's on.
I know, I'm filming the boat.
Oh.
I mean, I wish the flash wasn't on, but I don't have a hand to turn it off, so.
Good morning, guys. Thank you. I need that white ticket. Thank you so much. It's all good. Thank you, guys. Watch your step, okay? Thank you. Watch your step on the way up.
What if I drop my phone into the water?